and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk. Milk and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk.
Milk and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk. Milk and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk.
Milk and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk. Milk and Smiley, oh Smiley, oh some milk.
They
Make
make
a
a
perfect
perfect match.
Hey Marcus, what?
Did you know that Smiley-Os have 4 grams of protein?
Whoa, that's sick. And just 120 calories? Whoa, that's serious.
It's
man.
mighty good.
Awesome.
Hey Carson, did you know that Smiley-Os are high in calcium and vitamins?
What? I didn't know that.
Did you know that too, Domenico?
Really?
No? That's awesome.
It's like
Mind blowing.
mind-blowing.
Hey, Marcus and Domenico, do you want to know what the secret ingredient to Smiley-Os are?
What is it, Carson?
It's love, love, love. When you eat a bowl of Smiley-Os, your hands go up. And they say there, and they say they're up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.